Good morning students. Now again exercise 4.3. The second question, quadrilateral plan. We have to construct the quadrilateral plan. The given things are PL 4 centimeter, LA 6.5 centimeter, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree and angle N 85 degree. PLAN. We have to construct this quadrilateral where the three angles, angle P, angle A and angle N are given, and the two side PL 4 centimeter and angle A 6.5 centimeter is given. Sorry, it's not angle A but it is LA. LA, the line segment given is 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to construct this. Just see the side PL and LA are given, and the angles given are angle P, angle A and angle N, where in the line segment there is no N point given, so we cannot draw 85 degree. So we have to just take angle P is given, angle A is given, but angle L is not given. So first of all we will have to calculate out angle L. For the calculation of angle L, in the previous chapter of quadrilaterals, chapter number 3, we have read this property that the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. In a quadrilateral, the sum of all the four angles is 360 degree. So in the quadrilateral plan, the four angles are angle P, angle A, angle N and angle N. Angle P given 90 degree, angle A given 110 degree, angle N given 85 degree. So angle L we have to calculate when the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. So we will just calculate the sum of 90 degree, 110 degree and 85 degree is 285. So angle L is calculated as the subtraction from 360 degree minus 285, that is 75 degree. So angle L we got 75 degree. Now again we'll now construct the quadrilateral. For this we'll need to first draw the rough figure. For the rough figure we'll draw PA. PA is PL. PL is given 4 centimeter. Angle P given 90 degree. Angle P is given as 90 degree. 90 degree we know is a perpendicular like this. Angle L, this angle L is 75 degree. So at point L we'll have to draw 75 degree angle. Then it is given LA is 6.5 degree. So LA, PLA must be somewhere here. So PL, let this point be point A. At A point and it is given 110 degree. So from this we draw 110 degree. Without, it's only a rough figure. So you have to draw like this, and this point is point N. Automatically you can see that it is 85 degree. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle L is 75 degree and angle A is 110 degree. Now let us construct. For the construction you have to first draw PL. PL as 4 centimeter. Draw PL as 4 centimeter. PL P, L 4 centimeter. Little bit you have to extend so that you can construct the angles with the help of the dotted lines. At point P you have to construct 90 degree, and at point L you have to construct 75 degree. So first we will construct 90 degree angle at point P. Draw the semicircular arc. Draw this semicircular arc. 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc. Extend it and draw another arc to get 90 degree. Join and extend it. Then at point L you have to construct 75 degree. For 75 degree, again first you have to draw 90 degree angle, draw 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc, extend it. Now here 90 degree is the supplementary angle, that is the helping angle. You have to draw it with the help of dotted line. Like this. Then this is the point of 90 degree and this one is the point of 60 degree. For 75 degree we need 60 plus 15. This part is 30 degree. We have to bisect this 30 degree. So from this point draw the arc, and from this point draw another arc and join and extend. Join and extend. Now you can see that at P 90 degree angle is formed and at point L 75 degree. Now it is given LA as 6.5 centimeter. So measure from the scale 6.5 centimeter. In the scale measure 6.5 centimeter. And name this point as point A. This point as point A. Now at point A, 110 degree given. 110 degree cannot be constructed, so you have to use protractor to draw 110 degree. So use protractor to, so students, you have to use protractor to draw 110 degree. Use protractor to draw 110 degree. Now you can see that this 110 degree angle line intersects this line at a point, and let this point be point N. Now construction is completed. At point A 110 degrees drawn. This angle you will measure will automatically be 85 degree. So PL 4 centimeter and LA 6.5 centimeter. So your construction is complete. Now here is another question. To construct a parallelogram here, where the given things are HE 5 centimeter and EA 6 centimeter. Now we must remember the properties of the parallelogram, that the opposite sides, they are parallel and equal. That is, HE is equals to RA and EA is equals to HR. EA is given 6 centimeters, so is HR, and HE given 5 centimeters, so is RA. Now angle R is given 85 degree. Angle R is given 85 degree, so is angle angle E, as the opposite sides are equal and parallel, and the opposite angles, they are also equal, and the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. This is the property of the parallel lines. These two lines, they are parallel, and this is the transversal. So sum of these two interior angles is 180 degrees. So we can just calculate out that how much is angle H is there or angle A is there. Angle H plus angle R, these two angles, this is given 180 degree. R is given 85 degree, so we can calculate out angle H as 95 degree. And drawing the rough figure, as the rough figure is that of a parallelogram, so we can just draw it with EA as 6 centimeter and HE as 5 centimeters. Now let us construct it. For the construction, you have to first draw EA as 6 centimeter. So just measure from the scale, draw EA as 6 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter. Now here 85 degree and 95 degree, they are to be drawn with the help of protector, as we cannot construct 85 degree and 95 degree. So here you have to use protector. Children, be careful in using the protector, as this angle we need to have 85 degree. Now it is given HE 5 centimeter. So you have to measure in the scale 5 centimeter R. In the scale you have to measure 5 centimeter R and cut it like this. Now again at this point you have to name this point as point H. To name this point as point H. H is 95 degree. So here you can keep your protector and can draw 95 degree and extend it like this. At point A, again you have to use the protector to draw 95 degree. So use the protector 95 degree, and this point is point R. It's the easy one. You have to just construct using the protector. Next question. To construct a rectangle OK. To construct a rectangle OK, where OK is given 7 centimeter, KA is given 5 centimeter. OKAY, this rectangle you have to construct. Again, remembering the properties of the rectangle, that the opposite sides, they are equal. So this is also 7 centimeter. YO is equals to AK 5 centimeter, and we know that each angle is 90 degree. So just you have to construct a 90 degree. So take the scale, draw 7 centimeter, draw 7 centimeter, name this point as point O, this point as point K. Extend a little while, as at both the vertex you have to construct 90 degree angle. So at point O and at point K you have to construct 90 degree angle. Draw the semicircular arc with the help of rounder. At this point also, in the same manner, you have to draw the semicircular arc. Then with the same arc cut 60 degree arc, 90 degree arc. Here also you can just do the same procedure for the construction of 90 degree. Then extend a little while and draw the arcs this way and this way to get a cross. And then join it. Now you have to measure in the rounder 5 centimeter arc, as OY and AK is given 5 centimeter. Just in the scale you just measure 5 centimeter arc from point O. Cut the arc from point K. Cut the arc. Be careful with this 90 degree construction and this 5 centimeter arc, and join them. This point is point A and this point is point Y. Now it may lie above or below this cross. Join it. Join AY. This is 7 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. This one is also 5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. Now this is the rectangle OK. Here is yours